Ni kedai Bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Kasor karjela kalabu thong hagi babun ki benta khnang ban pen bhabriu ya kasor shlok da ka bawan ra ya ki babun ki project Henry hapreng gani ke jingbu thong kasor kar kalasha wok jat haki kenhon ki baper ki bapen pau ba kim sngo ya hap ya kini ki jingtmu balapen pau da kasor kar sha upai ba Umentri rangba jong jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga jing ekran bat kilat patai kubor haga khat khandai trek benai risau arajar arpo ula ong baga jing tmu jong sarkar ban wanra ya kinu ki project kamut satya tangna ka benta ban shna ya ki shlem penmi khajna nrei ka thong ka ba khmat e kalong ban pen kluj bat pen bhabri ru ya ka nong ba shlong
It has to be seen in a larger picture and an overall picture of what we really are planning to do. All the development work that we plan to do for Shillong City has got multiple objectives. It's not just about having a commercial property, but it is about looking at aspects of decongestion, aspects of parking, logistics, beautification of the city, creating iconic structures, and yes, at the same time ensuring that that there has to be some commercial aspect, otherwise the viability of the project is not there. So it's not so simple as maybe what has been put out in the press by some people, but it is a much more bigger picture, and as I said, it's being done in the overall interest of Shillong City, keeping in mind all these aspects that I just mentioned to you.